From YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture for your Nintendo Switch account, and you can easily do this from the home screen. So if we go up to the top left, we just want to select our icon and select A on it, and this will bring us to our profile page. Then we can go to the right and we can go to where Donkey Kong is, and then we can select him with A, and then we have the option to change the character /me. So let's go to this. I do like Donkey Kong, so I might switch it to a different one. So let's scroll on down. I think Diddy Kong would be a little bit cooler. So let's see if there's any options for that. So we can go all the way down to me. We can see them all. But let's go to one of these people. So let's go to this one right here with Yoshi. Select A. Then we can go to the background and change this as well. So let's do more like a blue background. And then go to A. And then go to OK. And this will be applied to your account now. So if people go to like your specific page for your Nintendo Switch Online, this is what they're going to see now. So let's go back to the home screen. In the upper left, you can see the icon changed over almost immediately. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.